Hey everybody,
Hello.
Jake and Brenda here, our sweet adventures. Today, actually Brenda's going to be making.
And you'll be filming.
I will be.
Bacon wrapped Oreos. Sounds
Weird.
kind of crazy, but we want to try it.
Yep.
So,
Let's get to it.
all right. Okay, here we are. These are the ingredients I used over here to use on the Oreos. I actually combined all those to make this certain one. So we won't be using all that, and we'll use it on hamburgers or whatever else. So it will take 16 Oreos, and I did get the mega stuffed ones. So it's funny because does that look like mega? Sizeflation. Anyway, and then I did get the center cut original bacon, and we only need like half of a slice to wrap around the, don't want to get the paper in there, wrap around the Oreos. Yeah, I was trying to make sure I wasn't cutting my finger there.
That'd be good.
Yeah, that's why I paused there for a moment. Okay.
Good.
All right, now this looks like maybe the bigger size, and maybe not. No, that's about right. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands quick. I know I have to do it again, but I want to get some cookies out so that they're all out and
ready to go.
Ready to go. All right. So I think I'm just gonna, oops, I'm not gonna use him. He came apart. All right.
There's several different ways to do this.
Yeah.
We just chose this one.
And you have to make sure that that it's on the bottom like that. Yeah. And I think we can take actually two. We're gonna try it.
Go the other way.
Yep. Go this way. And then what you got to do is you preheat your oven to 250 degrees, or you can put this also on the grill. So, a couple different ways you can do it. Yeah. We're going to do it like that. And I'll get some more wrapped up here. I'll show you one more time. Just like this.
First time with these. It seems kind of odd, bacon and Oreos, but they say they're good.
Sweet,
we'll find out. Sweet,
and then kind of spicy flavor. It'll be interesting to taste them because, you know, it's a different type of flavor. But I'll go ahead, finish this up, and we'll get back to you. All right, here we are back, and as you can see, they're all wrapped. Some of them are wrapped more per se, and when I cut it in half, there was the short side and the bigger side of the bacon, and I should have taken like one of these and then one of the bigger ones, but this will work out. Now I'm going to put on, and I'm going to put on a considerable amount of seasoning on each one of these. And this is the seasoning that I just put together myself. You may have a rub that you want to use, which is perfectly fine. I suggest that you do try different things, because if we do like them, we might try a different, rub that is store-bought or whatever, but I want to get them really good. All right, now let's get them in the oven. Here we go. And you want to have that rack so that all the fat from the bacon goes down into the pan and you don't have such a mess. And it cooks it all the way around. So I'm going to put the timer on for 25 minutes and we'll see you then. Okay, timer's off. We did set it for another 10 minutes, although, because they weren't we thought they needed more. So this is what it looks like. Now we are going to turn up the temperature to 400 for 8 to 10 minutes. And I don't know. I'm assuming that might take a little bit longer too. I don't know. But we'll do that and we'll come back at ya. Okay, timer went off and they are done. So I'm going to turn that off, bring them on out. Oh boy, and that is the finished product right here. And now what we have to do is we have to let them sit for 5 to 10 minutes and we'll do a taste test.
Okay guys, they're done. They've cooled down. Actually look fairly good. I don't know, this is a weird combination. Bacon and Oreos.
Oreos and then like a rub.
Yeah.
Well, I made my own rub.
So this is going to be the taste test. I can grab one too. We're going to rate these things, but I don't know how you, I guess just the whole thing.
Oh, well, you go right ahead. I'm not.
Actually, those are really good.
Well,
very good.
Boy, you get, your mouth is going, whoa, what'd you just give to me? Because you have the sweetness, you have the bacon taste, and then you have the spices. I got I got a little spicy too, so all together.
And you can taste the filling. That's
that was the sweet part. That's the first thing I taste.
The filling, and then the bacon, and then maybe the
spices.
itself. Wow.
Did you get any of the spices in there?
Yeah.
Of course, you know me and spice. It like goes, whoa.
I like more, yeah. So, yeah. Well, we usually rate 1 to 5. I'm going to actually rate this one a 5. I've never done a 5 before. So
5? Can you believe it?
That's really tasty.
Well, you know me, I'm a 5 person because, well, I like food for one thing, but I mean, no, this was the different. It was just, it was like, wow, your mouth's going, whoa, you know. But yep, I'd give it a 5 as well, and
easy to make. Just wrap bacon around them and stick them in the oven, basically. You know?
And like I said, I don't think I would next time cut the bacon in half.
Yeah, wrap it clear around or something.
I think I would just take one strip of bacon and wrap it. Just make sure that bottom piece, you know, was under there.
Yeah. So
like
you wouldn't even have to do that. Cut the bacon, just wrap it around them, and
just one piece of bacon for the whole thing, because that's really what it ended up being, anyway. So.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
Well, okay. There's another one. So
yes. Yes. Let us
know if you tried something like this, maybe. And there's different ways to make them. We just chose this one, and it worked out pretty good. So.
And I just made my own spice, or you could do a rub or whatever. But
yeah.
Well,
I guess till next time.
And remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you next time.
Yes. All right.